I have one question to ask you. Do you watch videos every single day? If you're like me, you probably watch videos all the time. But did you know that you can actually make money online by watching videos? I bet you $100 that you didn't know about that, and that's exactly why you're watching today's video. Don't worry, because I got you on this one. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online by watching the videos that you already are watching, but this time I'm going to make you guys earn from it. You can earn up to $20, and we can guarantee that you will because we discovered this method firsthand. You don't need much to be able to earn like this. You just need your laptop or your computer or your mobile phone. It doesn't really matter. You'll also need an internet connection, of course, because this is about making money online, and to go online, you'll need an internet connection. Anyway, the earning potential of today's method is actually insane. If you watch one video playlist, then you can earn $20. If you watch a 10 video playlist, then you can earn $200. And if you watch a 20 video playlist, then you can earn $400. Now that is crazy. And the best thing about this method, it's 100% free, which means you won't need to make any cash advancements or investments or show money or free trials or whatever, nothing. You can sign up, join, work, and earn for absolutely free. So make sure that you stick around and watch this entire video because you never know, we might throw in a bonus tip or two that can help you make more money than everyone else. But if you're not interested in that chance, then that would be your loss. The process is a little bit tricky, but it's very simple if you just watch the video from start to finish and not skip any part, and then you will definitely be successful in our method for today. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first thing that we want you to do is to go on youtube.com and then look up plank tutorials. You can see there are a ton of search results, and you can also see that these results have thousands of views, and now we're going to use these videos to earn our money. Next, we want you to open up a new tab and then proceed to type in adfoc.us and then hit enter on that. This is what you should see next. And basically, this platform makes you shrink your link. Share that link and earn. Our favorite word, earn. So it says that AdFocus is a free short URL redirection service with a twist. You get paid for links you share on the internet. You can place links on your website, forums, and more. You can pay out through PayPal, Bitcoin, and many more. You can even earn up to $22.50 per 1,000 visits to your short URLs. Generate stats on the fly and break down by countries, referrers, and specific dates. We pay out users every month for earnings above $10. This platform also has a referral program. You can earn 20% of revenue generated by your referrals for life. So let's go ahead and try this really quickly. Now go on YouTube again and choose a video. Let's choose this one because there's a ton of views and that's what we want, and then click on the share button. Then you're going to want to copy that link, then go back to AdFoc, click on shrink, and boom! Your shortened link is now ready to make money from. The concept is that if someone clicks on your link, then you are going to earn a lot of money. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. I'm going to teach you in a sec what exactly you can do to make money out of this link, also because Those people who will click on your link, they live in certain countries, of course, and the countries that they're coming from actually have corresponding amounts that will pay out to you. That sounds kind of confusing, but we'll show you that right now. So right now you can see the payout rates section of AdFoc. What we were trying to tell you earlier was that if someone from the United States click on your link, then you will earn $26. If someone from Canada or Australia clicks on your link, then you'll get $13. If someone from the UK, Sweden, Italy, or Denmark clicks on your link, then you'll get paid $12, and so on and so forth. So basically, the amount paid to you is all based on what country or what part of the world these people who will click on your link are from. And it's great that the equivalent of US clickers is at a high price because they are the easiest audience to target, and we're going to show you how you can find the perfect US audience right away so you can start making the most amount of money. Now we're going to sign up for an account, and to do so, just click on sign up button over here, and then this should pop up. So just fill up the details being asked of you, email twice, your password twice again, confirm you're not a robot, agree to the terms, then once that's all completed and ready to go, click on join now. Once you've signed up, you can right away just log into your account by going back to the website's homepage and then scrolling down to the bottom part of the page, then input your email and password, hit login, and this is how the inside of your account should look like. As you can see, they say that your account information is incomplete. So make sure that you update your account settings before anything else. And to do that, just click on the account settings link, and that should take you here. And you just need to provide everything it is that they're asking, or else you won't get the money that they promised you. So do your part so that this will be a successful method for all of you guys. Now you should be back on your homepage once that's completed. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now we want you to do what we showed you earlier 5 times. Look for planking videos that have thousands or millions of views, copy the link to that video, paste it on AdFoc, and shorten the link. Do that 5 times in a row, and once you've repeated that 5 times, now you can open up a new tab and type in forum.bodybuilding.com. Now this platform is very famous because thousands of people from the US and all the highest paying countries come on here to get some tips and tricks on how to lose weight and become healthy. Now when you scroll down and look through the website, you'll see so many posts that are health related or workout related, and that's basically the whole website for you. So many people put up posts on this website about these things, and you can even check out how many people click on these posts. Hundreds of thousands of people. 1 million views, 600,000 views, 800,000 views. Now these are insanely a lot, and imagine your plank link on here, and imagine how many views that will get, especially because you're doing more than one click. So to target people from the US to see your link and click on your link so you can get the highest possible pay, make sure that you go on the flag icon at the top right and make sure that it's programmed to have the flag of the United States. In that way, all of the forums that pop up will be US based, which means people from the US are the ones that will be on here. Then you can see the forums that you can choose from that are US based, and let's just choose a random one like this exercise forum right here, since planking is a form of exercise. And what you want to post here is something like this. First, give some information about planking, and then you can actually look that information up on Google to give them more reliable information. And then you want to insert those shortened video links that lead to your planking tutorials, and as much as possible you attach all 5 links and even more if you can to make the most amount of money possible. And that is everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.